Dear Sekolah Ciputra community, good morning and welcome to Term 3, Week 7. Lots of events will happen this week, so please stay tuned. Starting today, 20th February up to 10 April, there will be 30 days challenge in Sekolah Ciputra. It's a month-long period in which you can implement small, simple daily actions that are fun and engaging that can result in the life-changing outcomes over the long term. Though it is a self-directed challenge, it is an excellent way to start and stick to the habits you want to build into your life. On the 22nd February, there will be 2 events happening in PYP and high school. The first one is the PYP Exhibition Assembly and Sharing session in Ciputra Hall and classes. All the PYP students, teachers, and also PYP 5 parents are invited to attend this event. The second event is the Grade 10 Personal Project Exhibition in MPH. All the high school students, teachers, and also Grade 10 parents are invited to attend this event. Still on the same day, for Grade 9 up to 12 students, if you are interested to study abroad, especially in the USA, there will be USA Higher Education Fair in Westin Surabaya near Pakuwon Mall from 2 up to 6 p.m. Invite your parents to come along with you so you can have more understanding about studying in the USA. On the 24th February, there are 2 events in PYP and high school. The first one is PYP Exhibition in Ciputra Hall and the elementary area. PYP 6 parents and guests from outside other schools are invited to join the event. The second event is the High School Assembly for Grade 7 up to 11 in Ciputra Hall. On the 25th February, there will be high school senior boys and girls basketball teams joining the Cita Hati basketball tournament. Last but not least, this week is the second week for grade 12 students to do their mock exams. Lots of preparation have been done by both students and teachers. If you think that you fail in 1 or 2 subjects, please remember that this is not the end. You still have time to fix it before you do the DB exams later on. Take it as a lesson to learn. I know that studying for exams is stressful. It is hard to stay inspired and keep going. My advice is, never do tomorrow what you can do today. Procrastinating is the thief of time is a quote by Charles Dickens. Have a great week!